not go see for social media, my country people. Nothing when we not go see for internet. On I don't hear what they happen, my country people. May everybody make the day vigilant. APC on a couple, I don't know. On a they just the disgrace every day. I don't know what it called they happen. The thing just they fall. Me that they arrange on herself where the thing when happen, my country people. This fake bishop when they go rent, my country people. I don't know where they for hire them. So they enter Okada. So they use back, then they cover face. So they wear spec, my country people. If when I see all those people, when I will not say they not be men of God, my country people. They just go rent the cloth. I don't know where they for carry the cloth to give them. Oh God, why? Who do we offend for this country? Who do we offend? Onye came major. APC. If this man enter post, my country people, Nigeria, Ogala. If this man enter seat, this man will worst pass value my country people, because the way when this man they fight to become president, not good at all. He not good. They go hire fake men of God. Oh God, oh, God save us. God save us. And they even announce and say that they 30. That time they never enter, say that they 30. Ah, they know. Even the big shop now that they use their hand, they carry seat when they go sit down. They use hand, they carry chair. You know, they find where they go sit down. They know even they direct them. You know, as they give a bishop, you know, respect. From there, as they true, my country people, now so the Nigerians, the smart youth, go video those fake bishop as they true. For what did they do for the vice? I don't know what did they vice for there. What did they do for there? Agbado and vice president. I don't know, wherever. I don't want to know because I don't belong to that party at all. No light for there at all. Okay, as the truth for what did they do for them? As the truth, my country people. Now so the smart Nigeria youth go video all this what they call them, all those big shop. Now so they take capture all these people where appear for there. When they use the hand, they carry chair when they go take sit down. Now so they take camera demo as they share money when they pay them, when they use the at the movie, Nigerian movie. God, they gonna share the money up. They don't know say people they behind the camera them. They even they wash their leg, you know, they wash their leg. And I know as Muslims still they do, they wash their leg. Bishop content to Muslim, they capture them, my country people. From there now, some don't remove their shirt, somewhere go, somewhere I don't know the kind of dress when they really dress. Now so Nigeria, the smart ones, they get come follow this bishop for Nyash until they carry their bike, until they go their destination. Nigerians, the smart ones constantly they follow them. They follow the Nyash, they go as they enter Okada. Bishop they enter Okada, my country people. I don't say not be all bishop, okay? Get money share, but this one not be men of God. They rent them. APC, which way? He can't be like say, I don't understand. PDP just sit down, fold down the look on. Which PDP go take the look? I don't say both of them are the same, but APC own made they suffer. The acting is too much, and the way when people take they see the bottom, but on top to the bottom, they see the finish. Because this time not be the time when I go tell lie. The youth don't wake up. They don't wake up. They don't want the way when Nigeria did before. May it can't be like this. They don't want time at all. But this one is shock many people. It shock people. Say on a go rent fake bishop. I never see this kind of a thing. Why did they do good though? If this man Agbado, cassava, nyam in the afternoon, recruit 50 million soldiers and take away their resources. Men are raising this thing now. They will recruit, they will take away, and they will recruit, they will, you know, work in vain, and they will take the resources. May we wake up, oh. May we wake up. May we wake up, oh. May we wake up for our slumber. Because thank God said the word, and the phone can't say smart. Everyone are smart. Social media, I thank social media. And social media come out there. Before, when social media not there, when we come, they use the canoe soap phone, rock with me. And our mama them, they don't know this thing. Thank God said this new modern life when we did. This nowadays, this new generation. Thank God, oh God, as everything come open, everything they come they expose. Thank God. We know say our mama that they not get phone to read news, see anything. Waiting they lie, they go write am for inside newspaper. They will just read for their parara, collect money, buy newspaper. They will lie. They will to say not true. They no feel deceive the world again because the world don't know something. Everywhere don't open. See what happened that yesterday. I was shamed. I was shaped-alized. I got shaped-alized. I say, what is this? I still they laugh as I talk to them. I say, Agbado go rent bishops. He can't talk say Christian they support. Say 30 bishops come. Say 30 bishops come. Say they was contented. Say they was happy. They was happy. Say they see Christian where come. Say that they support them. One for inside. In fact, the journalists they try to interview them. All of them they wrong. Only one I come bold. That one boldly. He can't stand. He can't talk. Say this. I shake her, this country. Men are wise, so men are wake up. No let this time I be the opportunity. If Agbado and the members take over, it is finished. Yeah, it is finished. Oh, voila. Because the way when this man take there, if this man enter post, oh, voila, it is finished. This art now when they give now, as they come out now, so people they catch lies now. You see, Agbado, people not agree. He come out with a bishop because they talk say now Muslim tickets now. He can't say okay now as people not support me, many people not they support me, people they against me concerning this Muslim ticket. Okay, ma go rent bishop now. Ma they shock the world say they support me oh, they do this oh. Concern now the world no say the bishops say they are fake. They are fake bishops. They are fake men of God. You see. I don't know honestly, because the way when this our leaders won't take power by force, not be so. For another country, they know they do power like this to take it by force. No, it's not like that. If the citizen like you, they won't vote you put for them for that post. They will vote you put. If they don't like you, you come down for the seat. You come down. For another country, people they make resign. They resign say I don't want again. I don't want to continue with this post. But for Nigeria, I never see here say this person say na politician, na so this, na governor, na president say he don't resign. I never hear her. I never hear her. Senate say he resign. I never hear her. For another country, outside country, they resign like water. If they don't they say they don't tire, they go resign. But Nigeria, they don't want to resign. They want rule people. They rule our mama forefathers. They rule us. Well, our mama, then grandmama, they won't still rule the unborn one. It's not like that. They don't want to give the youth chance. My people, men, I wake up honestly because this acting now when we see for social media, thank God we they catch them. They catch them anyhow. May they continue. APC me not suffering. Me not suffering. Many people for vote for na small again. Me not suffering. We not say small people now you go vote for. And I see what happen for Osun State now. Say everywhere cast. I know say na the 10. You know now they fear to make things to put things in order. People don't fed up because it don't say when APC and this PDP that they promise Nigeria say we go make this, they will come out, they will use matter talk, we go build road for now, we give on a light, we go do this one, lights, they know they produce, they know they do anything. You see, they will use matter come out, I go do this one, I go build for flyover, I go give on a water, I go give on a better road, better this one, I go do this one, and food go cheap, the food go do this one. You understand? Say people not they interested again for on a lie, wait on a lie, reach the bottom to the top to the bottom. On a sit now.